Hello everybody, welcome to my Fuzziest. We are going to be doing another bulk load today in the Beko WS832425s inside the Beko WS832425s. Of course, we've already got some stuff in here from upstairs, but we also got things from this yesterday and today. So this is going to be interesting because this is going to be a lot, just like last time. So much. So that's everything from there, and now things from here. So there we go, there's our load. I'd say that's very bulky. In order to, I've got 3 of these. 1, 2, 3 non-bio pads. So what we're going to do is cotton 60 with pre-wash in this one. Of course, I need to check out the dryer and then take this down. I may need to do some maintenance on the Hoover, which I'll do in just a minute. So there we go. Prewash is beginning, of course, and it's at 2:38. And the sub will start working when it comes to the actual main wash. Right, the washing machine is now at 60 degrees, of course, and of course it's definitely warm to touch. Of course, doing turbo tumbles at some points, and yeah, as you know, it's main wash, obviously. There's 1 hour 5 minutes remaining on the clock right here. So things are working good. Washing machines, on one of its spins, I think it's, I'm not sure which spin this is. I just hope it's the second intermediate spin. Otherwise I'm thinking there's something going on here. Here we go. No, something. second intermediate spin. Just that bit, which means it's going up to 1000 RPM. Water's getting haywire in there. Oh no, here it comes. Oh, now the washing machine's all going haywire. It's crazy what? So all of a sudden, back build comes right on it. Look at it now. All over the place. It's just crazy. That's what it is. Oh my God. Right, the washing machine is on, of course, its final rinse. Oh no. And of course, this final rinse looks like it's going to be something going well. As I said, I'm glad that there is nothing wrong inside the machine. And there's the washing machine now draining. The washing machine is on its final intermediate spin. It's going to look like it's going to whip a big one unless it has to redistribute, which is a possibility. I'll be surprised. Yeah, thank you. That's what I was hoping and begging you to do. Ooh, slightly unbalanced. I have to say, there's a lot of condensation from the window. But at least with this spin, it looks like I don't have to worry about having to hold the machine in place. The machine is starting to arrive at 1,000, but of course the water is, there is some activity going on down there. really good. Balanced end spin. Seems like a good result. This is how I love the unbalanced ones. I'm starting to get a little bit more crazier now. The machine's getting very advanced now. Here comes Sunspot build. But the washing machine's all going haywire because it's drunk. Yeah, look at this, the washing machine's all going haywire because the dryer is vibrating. There is sun spitting going on, and the sun dispenser just keeps going up. Ah, it's all going haywire. The machine is all going haywire. It's causing real big trouble. Machine's at full speed. And it's extremely up the balance now. Look at all this is crazy work. Why doesn't the washing machine work properly though? The washing machine is rattling so badly. It's crazy what? Why can't you just stop rattling? Oh no. Now the washing's finished. You can now head all the way up into the Hoover VTC5911NB. That's all the drying in there. And let's get all towels.
Was it?
There we go. right in here, of course, is the next wash stuff. Which consists of aprons, towels, some stuff, and of course 2 bio pads in the back. Oh yeah, and a sock. So we will go to curtains 40. The machine is of course beginning very on more or less slow tumbles to begin with. So that's more or less wraps everything up with all this. So thank you for watching my exercise, and see you again next time. This is